Question: which type of memory is called temporary memory? Answer: RAM. Next question: Windows 95, Windows 98 and Windows NT are known by what name? Answer: operating system. Next question: antivirus software is an example of. Answer: security utility. Next question: what is the form of network topology? Answer: three form. One, first tree network, second ring network, and third bus network. Next question: if you add a recipient's name to the box in an email message, a dash of the message is sent to that recipient and the recipient's name is visible to other recipients of the message. Answer: when we copy it. Next question: what is a computer? Answer: a device which is capable to storing data, capable of analyzing data, capable of maintaining complete confidently, is sometimes infected by a virus. Question: the country's first computer literate district is. Answer: Malappuram, Kerala. Next question: Linux. Answer: is the name of the operating system. Next question: what is the device to hold the screen? Answer: desktop. Next question: which supercomputer is built first in the world? Answer: CRC. Next question: what happens when you select Ctrl plus V key? Answer: the selected item is pasted from the clipboard. Next question: which is the supercomputer developed by Bhamba Atomic Research Center? Answer: Anupam. Next question: which command is given to save the document? Answer: Ctrl plus S. Next question: what is a local level network called? Answer: LAN. LAN. Question: how is the information stored on the computer? Answer: digital data. Next question: what is a program that works like a calculator to make a budget called? Answer: spreadsheet. Next question: which program controls the various parts of the computer and allows the user to interact with the computer? Answer: operating system. Next question: what is an unsociated email called? Answer: spam. Next question: dash can be connected together to form personal computer? Answer: network. Next question: what is the meaning of CAD? Answer: computer aided design. Next question: which one is selected to enter the current data in a cell? Answer: control plus semicolon. Question: written program due to which computers function in the desired way are called? Answer: software. Next question: another name for computer program is? Answer: computer software. Next question: which is component of the computer? Answer: input unit, output unit, and memory unit. Next question: which is an operating system? Answer: Unix. Next question: American Television and Telegraph has developed such computer procedure which gives multi-user environment is called? Answer: Unix. Next question: Windows 3, a popular windowing environment, was released by Microsoft in the year? Answer: 1990. Next question: Windows operating system was developed by? Answer: Microsoft. Next question: Windows software has been developed by? Answer: Microsoft.